In this video, I will show you how to make a transparent background in Sketchbook. Now let's try creating a sketch that's transparent in the mobile version of Sketchbook on iOS. So first, do your artwork, and then head over to this icon by the color wheel that shows a piece of paper and a shadow. Tap that, and then you'll see your layers and your background. The background is the one with the white circle in it. The eye icon by that, you need to tap, and tapping it will make your background transparent. That's why there's all these checkerboard, black and white squares. Now it is transparent, and now you can save it. To save it, you can either push New Sketch and create, and then save current sketch for just the app, or you can share it and save it as a file. So there you have it. That's how you make a transparent image on iOS.